Before you can start to sew with rope, you will want to set up your sewing workspace and have some tools and supplies. Choose an area where you can set up your sewing machine to practice. A well-lit area is best. Ideally, a dedicated space where you can leave your machine ready to use. You don't need much space, just a little nook to get started. You'll also need a set of basic tools and supplies. The following shows them all together. As each item is described, follow along and locate it in the image so you can clearly identify every piece. You can pause if needed. Besides your sewing machine, you will need the sewing feet for straight stitches and zigzag stitches. Usually one foot can be used for both types of stitches. An open toe foot has better visibility of your stitches. Check the feet that came with your machine. You will need size 16 needles for sewing rope. Needles wear out and get dull. A new needle lasts about 6 to 8 hours of sewing. If you run into problems with stitching, the cause could be a dull needle. Simply change the needle for a new one. The other supplies you need are a measuring tape, ruler, thread nippers, erasable marking pen that disappears with heat applied, and some empty bobbins. I recommend a package of 5 or 10 bobbins. Having wound bobbins keeps the project advancing. You can wind 5 bobbins from a brand new spool of 200-meter thread. The other items are sharp sewing scissors, pins and some clips, a seam ripper, and some liquid glue. Tweezers are also useful during a project. You might need other supplies depending on the design you are making and the extra embellishments of the design. Get yourself a notebook. This will be your designer notebook to use as a reference for your project notes, such as the rope you used, machine settings, and any changes you would make when repeating the same design. You can also jot down your inspiration for a new design. All you will be missing is some rope to begin creating. If you found that this video was helpful, remember to click on the icons. Select like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next rope sewing tip from Studio Stitch.